Daniel Tokar here at the Willow Forge in Shepherdstown, West Virginia. And this afternoon I'm going to demonstrate my Drophammer. It's basically a pair of 8-foot long angle irons which make a trackway that a 6-inch diameter piece of steel pipe, heavy walled pipe, with a 2-inch thick steel plate on the bottom welded on, and a 1-inch crossbar inside there with a slip hook which I forged out myself, which I'll show you after we drop this thing, and a steel cable that goes up over a pulley all the way at the top and down to a boat winch on the other side. The base is made out of a 18-inch wide piece of channel with 4x4 wood cribbing bolted into it to act as a shock absorber and to widen the base a little bit. And we have a safety bar, which again you'll see in a moment to see how that works. One of the things you can do with a dead blow drop hammer like this is strike coins, metals, keychain fobs, small objects that you would normally need to have a fairly good-sized knuckle press to do. So what I do is I make my own dies up. This is an example of a die for a keychain fob. And of course it's reversed. I hand cut some things, and other things I have punches that I've made up for, like that S, and the lightning bolts are ones that I have made up, the star as well. And then you can take things like copper coins. That's an English halfpenny from back in the days when they still had pence and shillings, and it's solid copper and they're about the right size. I anneal them and clean them up a little bit, and we'll restrike that. The term they use in coinage is brockage whenever you restrike something. And you have a little steel plate that goes on top to help spread the load. So the way this works is we have a little block down here, which is the safety block over the die, and we have the safety bar up here. So you take the safety bar out, and you crank up the ram. Up it goes. All the way up. When it gets up high enough, you take your safety bar, put it through the holes there, and that is so that if there is any accident with the cable or the lanyard, the attachment, it can only fall as far as the safety bar. It can't fall and smash your hands if you happen to have them in here. You have this wooden block down here, which is also the safety block, so that even if the safety bar should fail, you have a space where the block would keep you from being crushed. So you take the die, and you put that in the center. You take one of our copper coins, and I put that on top. Then I take my steel plate, put that on top of that, and then I very carefully take the wooden block out. Then I take the safety bar out. Now this machine is hot, so to speak. Now this is the lanyard and handle. When I pull this, that will slip out and this ram will fall and strike the coin. So you're ready? Here it goes. Very loud. To get the ram back up, you pull the cable back down, Now here's what the slip hook looks like. I've forged out this long deep hook with a clevis, attached it to the steel cable, and inside here is that crossbar that when we fit it in there, stuff out of the way, it jumped around a little bit in there. Sometimes you got to fiddle with it a little bit. Put it back. Get it in. You raise the ram up high enough to get your safety block back in. You can see how the die and the steel are still in there. Take this out. There's the die. And there is the struck metal. The lightning bolts, the star, the big S. Apparently I got it off center a little bit when I stuck it in there. I was in a hurry and I was trying to show that happens sometimes. But anyway, it's very useful for making coins and medallions and keychain fobs. So that is today's show. Bye.